Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the exercise form correction system using Python. So let's continue.
So this is the first of all dashboard. We have to first select the exercise. This is completely AI powered real time posture analysis, and which basically make the correction exercises form and suggests key what exercise correction need to be done. So first you have to select the exercise type. There are five different types of exercises that are available, which you can perform the analysis. Okay. So if we'll go with the first one, squad one. Okay. So first you have to click on squad button to get the respective exercise trained deep learning model gets load. Okay. And then you have to choose the input source. So either you can select the webcam, and you can upload a video file as well. Okay. And you can upload a image also. So both all three input sources are available, and then you have to select the input source. Let's first go with the image one. So after clicking on image input source, then you have to provide the input. Okay. Then you have to click on the particular section portal. Okay, portion, and then you have to select the particular image, whatever image you want to perform, just like this was for the squad, right? So I have already given you one testing data folder where you can find some testing samples images. Okay, you can also record your own video or own photo, or you can download it from internet. Okay, but I have provided you some samples. Okay, or you can also upload the images or videos from dataset. I will explain you where is the dataset and how we have created. Okay, so first let's try to upload some correct one. So as you can see, if I zoom, so this postures looks correct. Okay, then start looking like incorrect one. Okay, so this is a looks like correct posture of squad. And then once you select the image, then you have to click to analyze posture. Okay, so once you click on analyze posture, it will give you some details regarding your result, and it will give you the current status. So as you can see, this was the current perfect squad form. Okay, similarly you can upload some other images. Now let's try to upload some incorrect one. As you can see, this is something which is lean, very backward lean, right? This is something image or a person who has back created some arc pattern, right, in back, and it is incorrect one, right? So let's try to analyze this one. So as you can see, we got the prediction don't lean backward, right? Because this candidate is person is going very backward, right? Same, let's try to upload some other image. Okay. Let's try to upload this one. As you can see, it has very close feeds are there. Okay. So as you can see, it is asking to widen your stance, right? Because these legs are very close each other. So this way you can try with the different images or different errors. Okay, this is something lean very forward, right? And for the video section, you have to click to video file. Okay, and then you have to select the video file, whatever video file you want to upload. Let's suppose this is some video which is a perfect form of exercise. Along with for the video section, along with the posture correction suggestion, it will also count your repetition, how many repetitions you have completed. As you can see, this is the perfect squat form. So it will completely analyze your posture, and it will check whether you have properly going down or coming up. If you properly performing the exercise, then it will increase the repetition. And it will also, if in your form, in your repetition, if error rate is more than 10%, then it will don't keep as a repetition. Okay, it will neglect that repetition. So as you can see, this is the perfect form of exercise. So repetition is also getting increased. Okay, almost 75% of processing we have completed as per the video size. Okay, and let's try to stop it. Okay, and once you click on stop or video processing get complete, at the end you will get the complete analysis how many repetition you have complete, how many frames has analyzed, and how many was there correct and how many was incorrect. And also depend on correct and incorrect form, it will give the accuracy. So this candidate having 100% accuracy of this particular squad exercise. Okay, because he is trainer, right? Now let's try to upload some incorrect one. So this is something incorrect posture. Okay, let's try to analyze. So as you can see, he is very lean forward, and as well as the foot distance is also very close, right? This way it will analyze your complete with the frame by frame analysis. and whenever you click on stop, it will give the complete result, how many repetitions, incorrect form, and accuracy and all. Okay, same you can try with the webcam. Okay, all exercises we have three input source for your demonstration purpose. Okay, so first try it with the image one. Okay, let's clear the reset the UI. Okay, and let's try to upload some lung. First try to upload some correct one, correct lung posture. So this is something which is looks like perfect posture of lung. Okay, so let's try to analyze. So as you can see, we got the correct prediction. Same way you can upload some other. Okay, so this is something which is very lean forward for the particular candidate. Okay, so as you can see, it is asking to don't lean too forward. Okay, same you can try with some other error. You can try with different error, and you will get the predictions accordingly, right? So this is something which has a very incorrect posture of legs, right? So as you can see, it is asking to reduce the street length because it's very far distance between the legs. Okay, so this way you can perform the complete analysis and you will get the prediction accordingly. You can try with your own images, okay, or own data set. Okay, so let's try to upload some video section. So let's reset it. Okay, and let's try to upload some correct one. So this is the some video which is the correct form of lung exercise. Okay, let's wait for the prediction. Okay, so as you can see, this is the correct form. Okay, so output also we are getting the current status. So as per your laptop performance, CPU and processor, it will give you the performance. Okay, so for the repetition count, you have to completely go down and completely come up. You have to perform correct exercise, just like this candidate is performing the exercise. Same way you have to perform, then you will get the correct result and output. Okay, so this way it is working for the a lung exercise. Okay, from your system or a webcam, and let's go to push-up module. And just like this is some incorrect posture video, and just let's try to click on analysis. Okay, so as you can see, it is asking to check leg position. As you can see, leg is not in correct posture, right? It's touching on the feet. So this is something for as you can see, we got almost zero accuracy because every frame has incorrect leg posture. Similarly, let's try to upload some correct one. This is the correct posture of push-up. And let's try to analyze. So as you can see, we are getting output as this is the perfect push-up form. So then it will analyze for the rep count. Okay, and it will also give the frame number of frames are getting processed, and this state, what is the current state, bottom up or down, like that. Okay, and how many repetitions has been done. Okay, so like that it is giving the complete analysis. Okay, and let's try with the some push-up image analysis, and let's try to upload some correct posture. Like this is the some correct one, looks like correct. Yeah, so this works fine. Similarly, if you try to upload some incorrect one, like this is something like back is not in correct posture, right? Hips is not in correct posture, correct? Hip is very upward direction. Similarly, let's try to upload some more incorrect one. This is also very incorrect posture for the pusher. So this way you can click your pictures, or you can create a proper recording video. Okay, you can download video from internet, or you can use your webcams. But for webcam, you have to make sure you have to your camera should be in good quality, and all your body landmarks should be visible, like both hand, both leg. Okay, then only it will make the correct prediction and give the correct output. Okay, this is also something looks wrong, incorrect posture. As you can see, hand is very far from the middle point, correct? So this way push-up is working. Okay, similarly deadlift model is there. Every module has similar three input source with the same architecture format. Okay, you have to select the input source, and then you have to provide the input, like that. Okay, so this is a deadlift. I have provided all sample data. Okay, so let's try to upload some correct pictures. Okay, this is the correct picture of our deadlift. Okay, similarly let's try to some upload some incorrect one. Okay, so this is something incorrect because hand is very close. to rod. Okay, so as you can see, it is giving me a proper error key adjust hand position. Similarly, let's try to upload some more images like this one. This has a very wider hand position, right? It is incorrect. Similarly, let's try to upload some video. Okay, just like this one. This is something which is initially was correct. Then after that, the person got failed. Okay, so let's have the analysis for the this deadly form. So as you can see, as of now, it is predicting properly. It is a correct form, right? And rep got increased by one, and but now he was not able to handle the weight. Okay, so as you can see, now he will disbalance and it will make the incorrect back position. Okay, so as you can see, it is going down. So as you can see, spinal cord is not neutral, so it is getting the error keep spinal neutral, right? So this way it is working. Similarly, for the bicep curl is also the same architecture. If you want to go with the particular image section, then you can go to image folder, and then you can upload any image. Okay, just like this is something which has a very forward lean. Okay, same, let's try some other one. This is something a very weird position, one hand is up, one hand is down. So in bicycle both hands should be in level, right? Same, this is something correct posture, right? So it should get a perfect bicycle code. Yeah, so it is predicting the same. Let's try with some video files. Okay, for the bicycle, this is something which has some incorrect form in their posture. It is very forward and backward lean. So as you can see, this candidate performing the bicycle in very wrong way, right? So it is not getting increasing the repeat reps and also showing the suggestion key how should be the posture. Okay. Same. Let's try to stop the video and try to upload some correct one. Okay. So this is something which is a correct posture. Okay. Let's try to predict. Okay. So as you can see, we are getting the output. This is the perfect curl form. So this way all modules are working properly. Okay, and we are getting the result also statics on the dashboard. Okay, and for the algorithm part, we have trained each and every we have created data set. Okay, for each and every exercise in the training folder, every subfolder are there respective exercises. Okay, let's suppose go to bicep curl. If you go to bicep curl, there are correct form images are inside the correct folder, and in incorrect there are sub types of incorrect postures, and inside that folder having some images with respect to the posture and error. Okay, same for other. Okay, and then we have trained the deep learning model neural network on top of this data set. Okay, this is the complete training html file. We have kept algorithm same for every exercise, just the only thing which we have done the modification for the feature selection. So this is a something feature selection code where we are extracting the features from the images with the help of MediaPipe, and with the help of this particular feature extraction, then we are creating the data set. We are storing all this information in csv format, and then after that getting the all features, and then we are training a neural network. So this is the neural network code. So here we have defined the neural network. We have created a training and testing part. Okay, 80 and 20%. Then we have defined the neural network, and then we have trained the network accordingly. Every exercise we have got almost 90 plus percent of accuracy. Okay, so you can check this all logs and graphs. Okay, so for this bicep curl, we have, for the validation we have got almost 98 percentage of accuracy. Okay, and same for if you go in other folders, like let's go to the deadlift, you will find the same architecture, same dataset structure and same code. Okay, just the thing changes will be there, this feature extraction, because every exercise has different feature, right? So this feature extraction code is different. So you can also get find the images here also if you want to put more incorrect postures, so you can also copy from here and you can upload the same in the live module. Okay, this way we have implemented the complete project. Okay, so do let me know in case any doubt or issue.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.